Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Easter dinner from start to finish. First, let's plan your perfect menu, considering both traditional favorites and new recipes. Create a detailed shopping list to ensure you have all ingredients well in advance. This preparation saves time and reduces stress on the big day, allowing you to enjoy the process. Think about your guests' preferences and any dietary needs to make everyone feel welcome. Now, let's focus on the star of your Easter feast, the main dish. Whether you choose a savory ham or a tender roasted lamb, proper preparation is key. For ham, a delicious glaze applied in the final 30 minutes adds incredible flavor. If you're roasting lamb, aim for an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit for a perfect medium rare. Always remember to let your protein rest for at least 15 minutes before carving to ensure juicy results. Next up are the delicious side dishes that complete your Easter spread. Aim for 3 to 4 complementary options, such as roasted asparagus, creamy scalloped potatoes, or sweet glazed carrots. Many vegetable sides can be prepped the day before, saving valuable time on the big day. Just pop them in the oven to bake alongside your main course. A variety of textures and flavors will truly elevate your meal, making every bite exciting. Finally, let's talk about the sweet ending to your Easter dinner. A festive dessert like carrot cake, a bright lemon meringue pie, or traditional hot cross buns is perfect. Preparing your dessert in advance allows you to relax and enjoy your guests. Remember to set your table beautifully with fresh flowers and your favorite dinnerware to create a welcoming atmosphere. Serve your delicious Easter dinner with joy, making wonderful, lasting memories with all your loved ones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.